Someone pulled on the false front cabinet drawer underneath my stove and broke it off. So on the right hand side you can see this is where it's kind of dangling and it's resting on the cabinet door below it. So we're going to fix that today. I picked up some clips off of Amazon. I'll put a link in the description to these false front clips. I'm going to attach these clips using a small screw that I had in a little leftover hardware collection I had. So I'm just going to drill a small hole in each one so that I can screw these on. Obviously you want to work carefully with these because they are just plastic. So I'm going to remove the false drawer front and turn it upside down on my counter, and this is where I will work. This is a shot of the original Thomasville hardware, and here you can see the broken clip. I will line up the new clip right next to the old one where it broke to just use that as a guide. And then I'm just going to take a pen and just make a small mark through the hole where I want to mount it. I am drilling a small pilot hole because I don't want to risk cracking the false drawer. And so I'll just put a little pilot hole in and then I will screw it in. I did actually recess the drill bit so that I don't risk drilling all the way through this fake drawer front. All right, with our pilot holes done, now we are going to attach the new clips. Now again, I am not going to use a power tool for this because these clips, again, are very fragile. I'm just going to speed things up here, but I'm going to screw these in. This takes just a small Phillips screwdriver, and I'm going to be doing this by hand so that I can feel when that screw is getting tight. If you overscrew it, yes, you can split the wood, but what's probably going to happen first is you're just going to crack that small plastic clip. Again, these things are fragile, so totally recommend just screwing that in by hand so you can feel when it gets tight. Once you've got those two screws nice and snug, that's it. You're just going to line it up and gently push it into place. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.